Niesen is over there. Up there is the mountain where we have to go. Probably I'm somewhere here. Maybe we're gonna reach the real clouds. I'm totally into painting now. On the bottom of the painting. It's a really old path. People don't go here anymore. Seems like there's no reason to go here except of exploring the Niesen. Tick, another tick here, another tick here. I'd rather be a painter. 3 ticks in 3 minutes, that's a lot. And now the path is probably gonna end here. The rock is loose. It's not good. So maybe after this, I become a painter. I should paint the Niesen. It's like, it feels like I'm walking in oil. So I'm walking in oil painting. It feels like I'm walking in a wet oil painting actually. Not comfortable at all. Very slippery, very steep. It's like, feels like I'm on a canvas tilted on the wall, you know. And now we have some cliffs coming here. See? This is not climbable. It's all wet rock and moss on it. So this is just stupid to go up here. Comfortable. Bit of a slide. Oh, nice. Not really comfortable. What's the definition of a path? And somewhere here, probably. It came down. Not down, but... Whoa. Stein- und Schwemmholz spiegelnde Niesen Föhn. Rudolf Mumprecht. It means rocks and driftwood. We definitely have driftwood here. Like trunks, tree branches. Driftwood is everywhere and rocks are everywhere. We are not literally in that drawing, we are more in that film. So it must be somewhere here. Somewhere here. Yeah, it must be that here is the Rossgraben. Maybe somewhere here. Somewhere here, which is green. Somewhere here. Forest, still forest. August Marke. How to say? He was in a park. Lucky he. So it must be here somewhere. Somewhere here. Maybe in that one. But still forest. I'm still here down here. So there's something to do for me. Fuck it. Alright. Next time.